Good afternoon, everyone. It is with great joy and excitement that I welcome all of you to our kindergarten completion ceremony for the school year 2024 to 2025. Today is a very special day for us, the kindergarten completers, as we celebrate our hard work, learning, and wonderful experiences in school. First, I would like to express our gratitude to our dear Chief Education Program Supervisor, Dr. Amelinda D. Montero. Ma'am, good afternoon, for her guidance and support in making our learning journey meaningful. A big thank you as well to our very supportive school principal, Ma'am Moria V. And now, Ma'am, good afternoon. Assistant School Principal, Ma'am Judith P. Nieves, for their dedication and leadership in providing us with the best education. To our beloved teachers, thank you for your patience, kindness, and for making learning fun and exciting. You have taught us not only how to read and write, but also how to be kind, responsible, and hardworking. To our parents and guardians, thank you for your love and encouragement. Your support has helped us reach this proud moment. And to my fellow kindergarten completers, congratulations! We have made it. Let us continue to dream big, work hard, and always believe in ourselves. This is just the beginning of a bright and wonderful future. Once again, welcome, and let's enjoy this special day together. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Princess Marie B. Omnimaga, for that warm welcome. At this juncture, may we call on our Assistant School Principal, Mrs.